The goal was the destruction of the American Pacific Fleet lying at Pearl Harbor in the Hawaiian Islands. The United States would now be at war with the Axis powers, and the last traces of isolationism were to vanish overnight.